There's a new sheriff in town.
Pika, 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 pika.
Welcome back. And welcome to PikaOS. It's a Debian-based distribution. And on startup, this is what you're welcome with. This is after you install it. And the installation was a little bit confusing, but I got through it. It's not that bad. I could not get it to install on my older hardware, and I could not get it to install in a VM. So the optimizations in the background prevent that from happening. At least I think so. I'm not 100% sure. I haven't looked into it yet. So away we go. Let's talk about the operating system. If you go to wiki.pika-os.com/English/home, you'll be greeted with their home page. They have various information on there, just basic stuff. What is it? Why it was created. They have 4 different flavors for you. They have a GNOME, a KDE, Hyperland for all you window manager guys out there, and Neri Edition. I'm not going to take too much time on this particular operating system by going into the weeds on it or anything. I feel like I'm getting too much off the beaten path, so to speak. So it's I've tried it out. It's not that bad. It game's good. It games like what Bazite or as well as Nabarro does. It has some things in it that are similar to Nabarro. Setup steps. Like Nabarro. Similar to Nabarro, I should say. Recommended additions. I can't talk again. Why is it every time I get on the microphone I can't talk? Install patent media codecs. Install the PikaOS game utilities. Install the PikaOS game utilities extras. Install device configurations for mini controllers and VR equipment. Install Microsoft True font types so it matches, because that's what the base font types are for a lot of the games are Microsoft. So there's no, weirdness going on there. It comes with the ability to install Kdenlive off the get-go, Krita, Blender, and OBS. Click on look and feel. Click on launch. It opens up a web browser and takes you to pling.com, which hosts a lot of KDE. I'm on the KDE version, by the way. Hosts a lot of KDE themes and icons and all that good stuff. Troubleshoot issues. Open PikaOS wiki. Click and launch that. Go back to your web browser. Takes you back to their website. After installation, this is like 6 hours later. I usually get to the firewall sooner than that, but I didn't this time. I was tired and had it open and was getting Steam set up and downloading some games and stuff. And then it dawned on me I didn't turn the firewall on. This is KDE's firewall, and this is what I was greeted with. Oops. Oops, dang it. Fat fingers. Fat fingered it again. And firewall's disabled. Error enabling firewall interactive authentication required. Okay, do that. Do your password. And it doesn't work. Well, what do you know? This time it did work. I have tried and tried and tried. But I still can't get rid of this. My workaround for this was installing UFW. And the GUI for it so I could get the firewall up and running. I had an update, so maybe it fixed it. Kinda. Firewall question mark. Now I think the error is because I already have this installed and it's conflicting with the big arrow glitch. Get off there. Come on. There we go. I think it's conflicting with the firewall installed, so maybe it'll work for you. I don't know. Future Steve here. Went ahead and tried the firewall again, and same thing as before. I noticed that when I looked at the recording, it was allow 000 DHCP, localhost, all this other good stuff on there. Yeah, I don't know what all that's about. But yeah, the firewall still wasn't working. Even after installing it, UFW, and then reinstalling it, because I don't like running without a firewall. So there's that. Back to it. Another thing, and I didn't get to record this, I wasn't able to, is I didn't install it. I went and grabbed Chrome OS from their website. Let's do it this way. Application Chromium wants my attention. Oh, come on. I didn't fat finger that one. I don't think I did. Oh, what's Katie Wallet? Oh, that's a different password. Alright. I can set up an icon for this if I wanted to. But I wanted to get a different web browser than Firefox, because Firefox sucks now. When I went and installed this, there was a message in the browser that said, was it in the browser? Can't remember. But there was a message that said previous data, and if there's previous data left over from the last time it was installed. Do you wish to keep it? No. I clicked no and deleted it. Yeah. I'm not sure if it was from testing it or from when they built this. They didn't clean up all the configuration scripts and user scripts that are left in the background from when they did this. But that was the only two things that I could find that were wrong, I guess. Not wrong, but any issues that I could see were those two. Other than that, I mean, this thing's great. I love the way they did this. It's a cross between Navarro and with their own flavor of how to do it. Let's try that. You can manage different kernels, add different kernels, actually. Download them. System. I wish I'd paid more attention where that was at. Pico. There we go. Was this it? Yes, this is it. I like this. You can go in, And this is what Navarro has. And I believe Bassite has it too. Green is on and being used. Yellow is not. Active, no. So I can start it if I want to, or stop it if there's a problem. So you can go down to all these and do that with them. And as soon as I can figure out which one controls my mic, I won't have to worry about having to unplug and replug it back in, because the type of mics that I have, the system starts it up and then forgets it. BIOS update, BIOS release, BIOS vendor, all this good stuff. Yeah. I really like this. Figured I'd showcase that. System. Now I installed the some of the wine prefixes too. I'm not sure if they had any in there by default, but I installed Proton Plus. I think I installed Proton Tricks and the development branch of wine, because I like next to bleeding edge. It gets updated about every 2 weeks. The other one's like monthly or bi-monthly or something. The sample version. Where was that at? It comes with the web apps, which is good. I like that. Graphics, games. Those are all the games I installed. And it comes pre-installed with overlay, which is good. I like that. I haven't put that in the spot for command for launching that on Steam yet. I just kind of think, why bother now? Because Steam has its own. I mean, it's not nowhere near as, I don't know, good looking as Goverlay is, but it does the job. I'm not too into knowing everything about it, what my system's doing. So that's pretty much it. And this is one of the launchers that you can do for KDE, if you didn't know. Show alternatives. Application dashboard, that's the dashboard. Launcher. Now you can do that and it turns it to that. More of a Windows-like. And this one does more of a like 98 version of the launcher. Turn it back to the other one, not to the main one, but this one, because what this does is it breaks window focus on when you're in Steam. In case I have to go in and kill it, I have to get back to the desktop and kill a game that's not behaving properly. I like to be able to do that with a dashboard. It just shows the dashboard and you can't get to anything on your bar down to the bottom to click on anything. All right, let's get into a game here. Let's close this back out. Close that out. That out. Close that out. Oh yeah, this is the default desktop, by the way. Somebody likes chickens. Okay. I like it. I like the artwork here. It's Eastern artwork. I'm not sure if it's Chinese or Japanese or Taiwanese or something. But yeah, I like the artwork. It's different. Welcome to big picture mode. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Okay. I've got jump space reinstalled in here. I've also got Under the Waves demo. Waves of Death demo. Creepy Waves. Secret of... Is it not? There's no... Oh, wait. Oh, arrow. Forgot. Arrow when you're not using the stupid controller, Steve. Yeah, these are all the games I installed. So, we're going to try... Polygon's a first-person shooter. Predecessor's a third-person looter shooter. Got Tomb Raider. I don't think I installed Tomb Raider, did I? Let's just choose one here. No. I'm getting ready to do some, do a live stream over on Rumble and, checking out some of my, horror and Halloween library I got going here. Alright, let's just do jump space. Sure, I got this set up correctly. Next. Enable Steam input. Yep. Alright, let's go play. One of these days I'm going to have to do a side-by-side comparison between the gaming distributions with this system and see, you know, which one has more frames per second, which one's more stable, all that stuff. I'm going to start getting into that here pretty shortly. And I'm also going to build that other PC I have sitting over here. The AIM3 board, the 8170 CPU on it. It's an 8-core thread AM3 processor.
It starts.
Like I was saying, AM3 8-core processor, 8170, 16 gigabytes of RAM on it. I just haven't had the will to do it. Let's press any key. Let's go to the hangar. I'll have to start a new profile so I can start doing some gameplay on this too. I think I'm gonna start streaming. Okay, I didn't show the gun at first. I'm gonna use the keyboard here. '60s plus, 140 plus frames per second. Oh, he's leaning back finally. Sweet. Come on, you lazy bum. Get up. You got some work to do. $106, $111. Huh. Yeah, I named my ship Big Butthole. This I didn't know last time, but I don't think this is copyrighted.
Another endless day gone by and I can't wait for the night. As long as I got you by the side, I could turn the dark into light. Another wasted moment.
Hey, my emojis work. V, X, okay, yeah.
I'm gonna make you notice. Yeah, I'll try and take over. Yeah, it's never really
Okay, nothing. And you keep dancing while you're running around with too, by the way. Alright.
Nice, you made it.
What? Oh, it's you.
Oh, it's you too. Glad to see you.
Good to see you.
How do you do?
Okay.
Interesting.
Dang it. Cord was in the way. Okay, that's enough of that. Ooh, it saved me. Saved me. Okay, well, that's a brief overlook of PikaOS. It's relatively new. It's been around for a few months, 4, maybe 6 months, maybe. I like it. The installation was pretty good. The installation stuff has has an indicator that's in a circle instead of a bar like everybody else. Honestly, it's gives it a fresh look. I'm gonna be keeping my eye on this one. I'm looking for a permanent gaming distribution to have this thing run on, and then leave my other drives for other stuff, you know, like for installing regular distributions, you know. Look to the future for me showing people how to install distributions and how to completely 100% set up that distribution for gaming and for various other things too. Like if you want to know how to run servers, how do you want to connect to your servers, how do you want to manage them, all that good stuff. I'm going to be doing it all over again and doing some new stuff along with it. So if you like that kind of stuff, stick around, subscribe, let people know. I'm trying to get this thing monetized. And if I start getting interest back in this channel, I'll continue doing it. If I don't start seeing some interest in with the next month or so, with the next 2 months, I think I'm going to shut it down permanently. So I'll see you next time.